Race number 4 of the afternoon, Millie Camtena, Waterside Cheer, Man with the Big Cigar, She Steps Lightly, Boo Gurney, Judy's Beauty, Naya Motion, and PH Powerful. They're off and pacing. Quick off the gate is Boo Gurney from the outside. Crossing over, looking to grab the early lead. Also driving out is Waterside Cheer. Down at the rail, Millie Camtena gets away third. Finding a seat at the rail in 4. That's Man with the Big Cigar. Followed away in 5 as they head into the backstretch by She Steps Lightly. The 6th one is Judy's Beauty back there in 7. That is Naya Motion and PH Powerful trailing into the backstretch now onto the opening quarter. Up front, Boo Gurney leads the way, a length and a quarter in the pocket. Waterside Cheer racing second, gap of 2.5 back to Millie Camtena third. Then Man with the Big Cigar takes a look at a 4. Holding down the 5 spot, She Steps Lightly. Then back there racing in 6 is Judy's Beauty. The trailing pair are Naya Motion and PH Powerful, 29 and 2. They're single file as they move off the top turn and race into the stretch now as they approach the half. And out front, it's Boo Gurney in control. Waterside Cheer is pacing along second, still gapped out third. That's Millie Camtena, followed fourth at the rail by Man with the Big Cigar. Back there in 5, She Steps Lightly, up on the outside uncovered. PH Powerful into 6. 7th on the inside is Judy's Beauty, and Naya Motion now trails into the lower turn, heading past the 5/8 and into the backstretch now for the final time. Boo Gurney out there by 4 lengths second. Waterside Cheer, Millie Camtena third. Then racing fourth is Man with the Big Cigar to the outside. Outside now with cover in 5 is PH Powerful. They approach 3/4 and Boo Gurney still the boss by 4. Second, Waterside Cheer, Millie Camtena now taken to the outside third. Picking up cover 4th on the limb is Man with the Big Cigar. PH Powerful has 5. They race on over to the 7/8. 59 and 3 was the half. 3/4 and 1. 29 and 2. And it's still Boo Gurney. Waterside Cheer second. Millie Camtena the outside third. Then Man with the Big Cigar is tipping 3 high 4th. They move off the turn and straighten out for the stretch drive, and Boo Gurney is clear by 7 as they race on down the lane. It's all Boo Gurney here in the 4th. Millie Camtena closing up to finish second, and the show spot will go to Man with the Big Cigar.